You think you lack strength to do it. You really want to do something, really want to achieve something, लेकिन आपको लगता है मेरे पास वो courage नहीं है या मेरे पास वो ताकत नहीं है, मैं नहीं कर सकता. कितनी बार ऐसा ख्याल आता है? और खास तौर पर कोई एक चीज है आज present moment में which you so much want, but you feel that probably I don't have the strength. I don't think I have it in me. Happens? Well, that's what we are going to talk about today. कि वो जो strength आपको लगता है आपके पास नहीं है, उस scenario में क्या किया जाए. And I would also talk about the reality. Yeah, how do you get that strength? So just stay on right until the end. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are new videos published here every day. So, you think you don't have the strength. You want to do it, but you don't have the strength. Well, I want you to ask a question to yourself. अपने आप से पूछो, reflect करो कि ऐसे कौन-कौन सी चीजें हैं, कौन-कौन से events हैं, कौन-कौन से areas हैं जहां पर आपने वो किया है जो आपको लगता था मैं सक्षम नहीं हूं. करने के बाद आपने कहा वाओ, I've done it, amazing. ऐसा हुआ है कभी लाइफ में? Things which were not as easy, which actually took a lot, but you just did it. Happened? I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा रहा होगा. अब अगर ऐसा है तो ये देखने की जरूरत है कि ऐसा क्या अलग था वहां पर. Was it that those situations were less difficult, less tricky? ये वाली सिचुएशन ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हैं, या उस वक्त आप ज्यादा बलवान थे, ज्यादा बलशाली थे, आप में ताकत ज्यादा थी, लाइक फिजिकली, राइट? अब ऐसा क्या बदल गया है? वेल, वन थिंग which if you reflect upon all the situations, you'll see, you'll be able to distinguish, it is the willingness, the will to do something, इच्छा शक्ति. ताकत की कमी नहीं है. It's not that you don't have the strength. It's the will that is missing. Yeah? So, जहां पर भी रुके हुए हो, स्टक महसूस कर रहे हो, ऐसा लगता है नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकता, इसके लिए बहुत करेज चाहिए, बहुत स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए जो मेरे पास नहीं है. It's not the lack of strength, it's the lack of will. That's what Victor Hugo also has quoted. Yeah? So, जब तक वो विल नहीं होगी, आप कितना भी आसान है, कितना भी मुश्किल है, सपोजिटली जो आप सोचते हो, आप आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे. आपको कितने भी रिसोर्सेज दे दिए जाए, कितना भी सपोर्ट दे दिया जाए, ऐसा भी हुआ होगा लाइफ में जहां पर सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, यू हैव एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल, एंड येट यू आर नॉट एबल टू मेक द प्रोग्रेस. व्हाई? पूछो अपने आप से. This is for you to reflect upon these situations. And why do you get stuck? Why is it that you're not able to take that step forward? That's because you're missing that, or you lack the will. अब वो will कहाँ से आएगी? The will doesn't happen overnight. The will, you're not born with the will to do a certain thing. So of course, पहली चीज ये आ जाती है कि what is it that I'm really excited to do? So why do things which you don't feel excited about, जो आप करना नहीं चाहते हो in the first place? That's where we talk about discovering your purpose, your passion, what is it that you like doing, right? So that's number one, right? But having said that, number two, still to get or inculcate that willingness, there has to be some amount of discipline to make the choices every moment. या तो अगर हर मोमेंट में आपके पास चॉइस है, मैं ये करूं या नहीं करूं, तो जब आप कॉन्शियसली अवेयर होकर वो चॉइस करते हो, that, okay, I want to do this. I am going to do this. Want to be named. You may not feel like doing it, but you know that this is needed. You may not feel willing always, but because you have to move forward, you want to make progress, you want to build that willingness within you, you've got to make those conscious choices, right? So when you do that, one, you're doing what you like doing. Usme bhi, when you make those choices every moment that, hey, okay, I understand, I'm not up for it, let me do it. So when you're doing that, over time, that becomes a part of you. Yeah, that's where you start to build your action taking muscle, because action is important, right? And when you take action, when you'll automatically see that willingness starts to come in, and you will no longer feel the lack of strength because you're doing it. The only way to do away with that lack of strength, wo thought jo baar baar aa raha hai, is either you leave it entirely because you're just not willing to do it, right? Or you go ahead and build that willingness by taking consistent actions, right? So that's what you can do to build the willingness to go ahead and take that action. But what I want you to understand, what I want you to reflect upon is कि कोर पर क्या है जो आपको रोकता है. It's not the lack of strength, it's the lack of will. Do reflect upon this and share in the comment section. What do you think? What has been your experience? और जब आपने reflect किया, देखा, तो क्या देखा? Yeah, it'll be great. If you found this meaningful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.